Hey everyone! Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to make infinity craft in Infinite Craft game. So, let's get started. First thing first, take fire and put in the field, and then take fire and put in the fire. When you do that, you will get volcano, and then go to other side. Take water and put in the field, and then take water and put in the water. When you do this, you will get lake. Now combine these elements. Take lake and put in the volcano, and you will get island. Then take island and put in the island. After that, you will get continent. Then take lake and put in the continent. When you do this, you will get America. And after that, take water and put in the America. When you do this, voila! You will get freedom. And then, take water and put in the freedom. When you do this, you will get slavery. Then take America and put in the slavery. When you do this, you will get civil war. Now, go to other side. Take water and put in the field. And then, take fire and put in the water. When you do this, you will get steam. And then, take fire and put in the steam. When you do this, you will get engine. And then, take engine and put in the engine. When you do this, you will get rocket. Now, take rocket and put in the rocket. When you do this, you will get satellite. Now, take lake and put in the satellite. When you do this, you will get Google. Now, take Google and put in the Google. When you do this, you will get Googleplex. Then take fire and put in the Googleplex. When you do this, you will get infinity. Now combine these two. Take infinity and put in the civil war. When you do this, you will get infinity war. Now, go to other side. Take earth from the list and put in the field. And then take wind from the list and put in the earth. When you do this, you will get dust. And then take dust and put in the dust. When you do this, you will get sand. Then take engine and put in the sand. When you do this, you will get sandbox. Then take infinity and put in the sandbox. When you do this, you will get Minecraft. Now, finally, take Minecraft and put in the infinity war. When you do this, voila! You have just crafted Infinity Craft. Congratulations! You have successfully made Infinity Craft in Infinite Craft game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.